What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, Freestyle Cooker with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, hope everybody is out there staying safe and healthy. Of course, y'all know what it is. Got a great recipe to share with y'all. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If this is your first time on the channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell so you can keep up with the latest, greatest recipe videos that I just love to share with y'all. Alright, I'm always getting it in, always loving to share. You know what I mean? Let's do it. Alright, so today we're doing some short rib burgers, y'all. I went to the butcher, got me some burgers. I was in the mood for some burgers. Just went there, got me 2 burgers about an inch thick, you know what I mean? Nice and husky, ready to go. Short rib, love that cut of meat, but I'm eating it in a burger, y'all. Alright, going sous vide these burgers. Alright, if you haven't seen my videos on the sous vide, it's basically, this is a cooker where we put it in a pot of water. It creates a hot water bath that we can control the temperature on, and we can cook our meat to the right precise temperature, the right wellness and doneness, y'all. Y'all need to look this up, man. Sous vide cooking technique. Yo, I've been having fun with it. I've been loving it so far, and I just can't seem to stop. So we doing some burgers. Okay, so we'll basically vacuum seal our burgers, dip them in a hot water bath, and be ready to go, y'all. Real easy. Let's do it. Okay, so we're gonna season our burgers up real simple and easy. Some salt, pepper, oh yeah, both sides. And I had these in the refrigerator for a little while so they can be firm, because when we get them in the hot water bath to seal seal them in the bag, we're going to use like the a different method of getting the air out the bag by basically submerging the bag in the water while it pushes all the air out. All right, you know, I don't want to use the vacuum sealer because I don't want it to smush my burgers. I don't want it to be too smushed. So I'm gonna use a freezer bag, put the burgers in there, submerge it in the water, and slowly push the air out, and that'll vacuum seal it like that. All right, and I just want to salt and pepper. The meat flavor is what I really want, and this is going to make my burgers juicy, you know, perfectly done the way I want them. So I don't even need no more seasoning than that, y'all. All right. Okay, so I got my freezer bag. Go ahead and get our burgers up in there. Like so. Okay. And what I want to do is, I'm going to seal this all the way up to the corner and just leave a little opening. All right. Like the size of my finger, right? Leave that opening up there. Okay. Get my pot of water. Right. Go ahead and get my finger back in there. And I'm gonna go ahead and just push down and get all that air out, y'all. And once I got all the air out, I'm gonna go ahead and seal it. And there we go. There we go, y'all. Got them nice and sealed, not too mushy, ready to go. Alright, y'all. Got my sous vide cooker going. So right now what it's doing is it's heating the water up to the temp that I want. I want my burgers well done. If you like yours rare, medium rare, you know, you'll change the temperature setting. So I got my temperature set for well done, which is around 154, 150, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna leave it in there for 2 hours. So once this get the temp, I'm gonna get my burgers, dip them in, clip them to the pan, and then I can go chill, do everything I gotta do for 2 hours, y'all, to get that perfect doneness. All right, and this Joule sous vide cooker, I'm using it through an app, so it's giving me the guidelines. It has guidelines for burgers and different temps you want to set, you know, to automatically hook you up. Okay, my water is heated. I got the alert saying it's ready to go. All right, let's get that down in there. Yeah, let me just clip it. And there we go, y'all. Alright, so I'm going to go kick back, chill. I'll probably get my buns and everything ready right before it's done. Feel me? And this is another good thing about sous vide. You could just, you don't, because you can't overcook it. You can't burn nothing. So you don't have to really, you know, pay attention. You know, as long as you get the alert, boom, you're good to go. You set the timer, you're good to go. So if you got guests or friends over or whatever, you can do your thing. I'm telling you, man, you need to get one of these in your kitchen. Alright, so holla back at y'all when the burgers are ready. Let's do it. Alright, y'all, we back. It's been 2 hours. Ready to take our burgers up out the bath. Oh yeah. Whew. There we go, y'all. Got our burgers up out the bath. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, take the burgers up out of the bag. Here we go. Look at that, y'all. Looking pretty good so far because I want it well done, but I know y'all like, did he just boil some ground beef? Well, the short rib beef. But we ain't done yet, y'all. We got to put a nice sear on this. But our inside should be perfectly cooked. And we're going to sear it, get a pan, heat it up, and sear it on each side, you know, to finish it on out to give us a little crust on the end. Alright, y'all, I got my cast iron out, you know, because it holds that strong heat, and I want to get a nice little crust on my burgers. Got a little bit of coconut oil in there. It's the non-dairy butter flavor, if y'all wonder why I look yellow, but I wanted like a considerable amount of oil in there, so I want to get a nice real sear going on. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and pat these dry. Now that I got my smoke going a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and get my burgers in there, y'all. Alright, make sure that oil gets all around there. And we're only gonna do this for a couple of minutes. We just want the inside is cooked. We just want to get a good sear on both sides. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes. Turn him on over. Oh yeah, there we go, y'all. See, that's what I'm talking about. Getting that nice crust going on. Oh yeah, now that's where you want to add the cheese. I got some American cheese here. Get it on there. Get my cheese on there. Don't y'all hate when y'all get cheese from the deli and it break up on y'all, man? Hate that. But freestyle cooking with streets, y'all. We got our cheese on there. Now that my cheese has melted a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and take them out and let them rest on the plate. Here we go, y'all. Here we go. Now it's time to build the burger. I got some pretzel dough buns. You could use whatever kind of buns you want. I went ahead and toasted mine up, as you can see. Like that nice, real dark toast flow going on. And you basically can build it up with whatever you want to build your sandwich up. Whatever you like on your burger, okay? So I got me some sauce here, a little chipotle sauce. I always keep sauce on hand when I don't ever make my own. Get a little sauce on there, hamburger sauce. You know, but feel free to make your own sauce. or just mayonnaise, whatever you know. This is build your burger time. A little bit more in there because I like this sauce. Oh yeah, y'all. All right. Next, I'm gonna add some lettuce. Got me some red leaf lettuce. Got me some red leaf. Got me some red leaf lettuce. Next, give me some tomato on there. Oh yeah, y'all. Oh, these burgers nice. Use some green pepper. Yeah, there we go. So got some onions. Alright, next, let's add our burger. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Got our burgers up there. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add the pickle flow. Also, I got some sweet peppers. I love sweet peppers, so I'm putting some sweet peppers on mine, man. But like I said, y'all, you build yours however you want to build it. Whatever your favorite toppings are. Oh yeah, y'all, there we go. And there we go, y'all. Our short rib burgers. Sous vide. Oh yeah, y'all. Like I said, use whatever bun you want. You know, eat it with some fries, some chips. Look at that, y'all. Yeah, y'all, look at that. Real husky burger on deck, y'all. Now I need to cut this so y'all can see how well done on the inside and how perfectly we got it, y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut one so you can see. Oh yeah, there we go. So y'all can see how done this is, man. So y'all can see, look at that. Just where I wanted it, y'all. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I got to take a bite. I'm sorry. I got to take a bite. I got to. Oh my god. The 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 burger is so good and juicy. Oh my god. Like I said, just some salt and pepper. You really getting that beef flavor going on. The perfect doneness. Yes, y'all. Y'all gotta do it. So definitely gotta get a sous vide. Try it out. Burger definitely comes out perfect. So I got no words. I'm about to be out, y'all. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell. You know, comment. Let me know if y'all made the burger. Let me know how y'all did it. Let me know if you want me to do something, try something. You know, y'all want to see something. You know, just holler at me. You know what I mean? And you know how I do, man. I'm about to kill this. So, you know what I do. Holla.